Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy. And in the third video that we're gonna be discuss about CURD operations, like how do you create, read and edit, delete. So let's start. So I'm gonna be generating a model called post model first. So I'm pasting over here, so it will generate a model now. It's generated, and after that I need to run migration. So rails db migrate. Yes, once done, just access the now rails console, rails c or rails console, rails c. So now I just want to create a post. Okay, I'm gonna use post.create and title and content as the two fields, right? We have create it. Now if you see post, it having a title is the title of the post and content is content of the post. That's it. And now we'll test it out, or all the CURD operations. So first read. Okay, so if you type post.all, it will return all the records in the table. Okay, so return all the records. Also you can see, take the count how many records are there. There's only one record is there. So post.all.count, it having already one. So now we can see this line, it is returning now. And yeah, we have a title of name, title of a post, and you can also see try some other commands. So like ascending order, or so descending order and all we are getting. So now let's see update. So now read is done, we're gonna be able to update. So now we have only one post. So post at first now post dot update title update first post. Yes, now if you see post update first post, it was updated. Now the post is no update also done. Now we'll see about delete. So now even we have only one record, or we can find by title also. So find by title already we have this command, and but we are updated title, right? So we have to replace with this one. Yes, and destroy it. Yes, now if you see post.all.count is 0. Okay, now we're gonna be generating a scaffold controller. We already have a model, so we'll do that first. And rails generate scaffold controller, post title string and content is text. We're generating a scaffold. Yes, so it was generated a post controller, and it added to routes, and it's created all the views, and it is not created any models and all. So we have already post model. Now pending migrations. Yes, post new, as it got. Now we can check routes file. So it is created a resources of posts, so it's having all the CURD operations. So you can also see like it lists out all the routes. So we can check, we need to check about the post. Okay, it's having all the CURD operations like get, patch, put, delete, everything post. And this is about second video guys, and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to Make Easy. Thank you.